Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious breakfast that my kids are enjoying. As you can see, they are really enjoying it. Though in my previous vlog I showed where I made this breakfast, but I got so many questions on that video. Some people were asking me, what did you use, what is that yellow stuff, how did you do this, how did you do that? So I've decided to separate the video to explain things better for your understanding. So if you are interested to see how I made this, then keep on watching. The things you need for this is just some extra virgin olive oil, or you can use vegetable oil. You need some milk, some cinnamon powder, eggs and bread. You can use any type of bread of your choice. Now into my bowl I'm going to be cracking in 2 eggs. You can use more or less depending on how many toast you are making. Now inside that eggs I added some milk. That's whole milk. You can use any milk of your choice as well. Now I'm adding my cinnamon powder. Just add as much as you want, but not too much. Now over here in my frying pan I just added a few drops of the extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, toss it around to kind of coat the bottom of the pan. Now I took 1 slice of my bread, dipped it in that mixture, and kind of coat the bread with the mixture, and then I placed it in the frying pan. So I'm going to let this cook or fry for like 2 minutes, then I will flip it over. So I just flipped it now and I allowed it to cook for 2 minutes again. That is in total 4 minutes, like 2 minutes on both sides. So once it turns golden brown like what you just saw, you can take it out from the pan and then repeat the same exact step. So as you can see, I'm making only 4 slices of bread, and that 2 eggs was perfect for me. I used everything. It was just enough for me. So if you are going to be making more toast, then you will have to add more eggs. So that one is done. I hope you now understand how I made that. Moving on, here I'm just slicing in a few cherry tomatoes into 2 eggs, and then now I'm adding my aromat. If you don't have aromat, you can use some seasoning cubes. Just add a tiny bit of seasoning cube, or you can skip the seasoning cube and add some salt. It's up to you. Mix it very well and fry. I guess everybody knows how to fry eggs, so I don't really have much to explain here. So we are all done now. As you can see, now what I just added on top of that toast is honey. You can use maple syrup if that's what you want, but I'm using honey because I don't have maple syrup, and that honey goes so well as well. You can enjoy that toast and eggs with some custard. Here I'm making custard. Now this is where some people were asking me, what is that yellow stuff you made? Look at it there, the name is Bird's custard powder. So that's what I'm making. I added a few spoons in that bowl. I mixed it with some cold water, and then I started pouring hot water into it. Like basically you are going to keep adding the hot water until it thickens up like what you can see right now, and then you can enjoy it with some powdered sugar, or you can enjoy it with some honey, which is what I added. I added some honey. You can use some granulated sugar, and then I added some evaporated milk. I used peak milk. That is it. Custard or pap without any liquid milk on top of it is not complete, in my own opinion. So also you can as well enjoy the bread toast with some hot chocolate, which is what I made for Favor. That custard is for Joshua, so he's going to be enjoying his custard, though he's not going to be eating the toast and the eggs because he doesn't like it. And you can as well enjoy it with some tea. That's it.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.